Poppin' guys, your boy Whyte Noize, and today I will be doing a optical illusion. So yeah, the first thing you want to do is get whatever you're using to keep straight, and do that. Draw a straight line, and then next thing you will want to do is do that again. So let me get this. Okay, I got that. And then I will come down to right here. And then come up right here. Do the same thing. And then do that right there. And then same thing right there. So then you should have that, and bring that right there. So start making the outer part, and we're almost here. Okay, right there, and then come down right here. Do the same thing. Okay, so then you would have that done. Come to these lines right here, or the right here, and then do the same thing. Okay, there's that. There's this. Okay, there we go. You should have that there, and then go right there, and fold, and you should have that. Okay. And I'm gonna bring this down for you, guys. So first, you see when it's like that, you'll do that. There we go. So that is the optical illusion I was doing today. So yeah. Peace out.